ACS Australia has manufactured a series of carbon fibre housings for electromagnetic detection sensors. The carbon fibre will act as a Faraday shield. 25 carbon fibre housings were made. This included developing a cylindrical tool for batch production. Tool weave 090 fabric was selected to achieve a high surface quality finish. On top of the carbon fibre housing, operational ports for electromagnetic attachments and wiring were cut utilising our CNC machine. This is a great example of ACS Australia's in-house composite manufacturing capability, coupled with advanced machining, allowing us to achieve high tolerance products for precision industry applications like this one.